to my channel, Mr. Tips and Tricks channel. So today I'm going to show you one more tricks how to get more YouTube subscribers into your channel. Alright, okay, first thing, make sure you have your YouTube channel. So right now this is my channel, and you can see that I have a 69 subscribers till today's date. Okay, or we can check on my YT studio. Alright, if you can see, my subscriber here is 69, my watch time is 66, my views, my views is 104, and subscriber change is +42. Okay, so right now to get more subscribers, you can either post your YouTube video to any of your social medias or WhatsApp or anything, but today I'm going to show you tricks on how to get minimum 10 subscribers within half an hour. Alright, okay, first thing, launch your Google Chrome. Okay, and search at the address bar Suppals.com. Right, so this is Suppals, and on the top you will see free YouTube subscribers, www.subpals.com. okay, click on the free YouTube subscribers and you will see the Subpals website here. It's very simple. There's a plan to get started. It's a free starter pack. You can activate immediately, or you can buy a subscriber like 15 subs every day using the enterprise package, or elite $40 per month, gain 30 subs every day. Celebrity $80 per month, you can get 60 subs every day. But today I will show you how to get it for free. First, what you have to do is, I want a free subscribers now. Just click on it. You can either click this, I want free subscribers for now, or you can click the free starter pack and click on activate now. Okay, alright, let me test. I want free subscribers now. Okay, they will ask you to enter your channel URL or ID to get started. If you don't know what your channel URL or ID, you can click on the bottom there where I can find my YouTube channel ID. Click on it and we'll open up another screen, and you see there's a YouTube user ID, YouTube channel ID. What you have to do, just copy your YouTube channel ID, right, and click on copy, then just go back go back and paste on the YouTube channel. Just paste it and click on let me in now. It will ask for a password. Actually, I already created this account, so it's automatically remember my password. So just log in. Alright, so right now you can see the screen. I'm looking for only the starter pack, free forever. You can activate, you can gain 10 subs in 12 hours. What you have to do, just like 20 videos, you subs to 20 channels, and you can manually activate this plan and you can activate every 12 hours. That means you can get around 10 subscribers every 12 hours. Alright, what you have to do is just click on activate. Alright, right now you can see a screen that show the video of someone YouTube videos. Nothing much that you need to do, except there's a step there. First step is like video and subscribe to the channel. Once done, just step 2, press confirm. And if you don't want to watch that video, you can either skip it, but you must at least watch, like and subscribe 20 video just for a few seconds. Alright, let me show you right now. Okay, I'm click on the like and subscribe red button here, and we'll open to YouTube. Okay, alright, what you have to do right now is just click on like, click on subscribe. Okay, now go back to the Chrome, the previous Suppals channel, and click on confirm. Right now they say that please wait while we verify your like and subscribe it. Alright, if you can see right now the videos remaining is 19. Previously was 20, so I have to watch another 19 videos and repeat the same process until all videos finish. So basically you only have to spend around 10 minutes to watch 10, I think not 10 minutes, I think around 12 minutes to watch 20 videos. Alright, now I'm done. I watch the second video, repeat the step. First step, click on like and subscribe. Open up a YouTube channel as well. Okay, click on like. Okay, second thing, click on the subscribe. Alright, next open up back your Subpals website and click on confirm. Alright, so I have another 18 videos to watch, to like and subscribe. Okay, so actually it's only the same process repeated until the last video. Okay, so I will fast forward this.
3 minutes later.
Okay, right now the videos remaining that I need to like and subscribe, 2 more videos. Okay, just click on like and subscribe again. Click on like and click on subscribe. Alright, now go back to your previous screen and click on confirm. Alright, last videos that I need to watch, like and subscribe. Click again. Okay, wait for the video to play. Click like, and lastly click subscribe. Okay, now go back to the previous screen, click confirm. Alright, okay, it's already activated. So basically it will take around, I saw it take around only 30 minutes to an hour to get your 10 subs into your channel. Right, so you can see the watch right now is 22:40 p.m. So we come back again around 30 or 35 minutes to see either our channel gain subscribe or not. So this will be my current. I have 69 subscribers, watch time 66, views 104, and we see around 35 minutes either our subscribers will my subscribers will gain up, my watch time will gain up, and my views will gain up. All right, okay, so I check you back again after 30 minutes.
After later moments.
Okay, right now it's already 1 hour and 10 minutes after I activated my Suppals to gain subscribers. So just for your information, this is my last subscribers, 69 1 hour ago. Okay, now we see either my subscriber already going up or not. Okay, now we're going back to YouTube. Click on my channel. Voila, right now I have 82 subscribers within 1 hours 10 minutes. Right now the time is 11:51 p.m. Within 1 hour I had more than 10 subscribers. Okay, let me check in my YT studio. Yep, I have 82 subscribers. So basically Subpals is really works to get subscribers to your channel. So you can try this every day, every 12 hours to get around 10 subscribers into your channel. Okay, so I hope it help you to get your channel to gain subscribers. For more information, you can click below links in the description to reach to Subpals websites, and hope to see you again on my next video for more tips and tricks. I will share you all my exclusive content. Alright, thank you. See you soon. Bye.